Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Mac OS supports widgets, then open the Notification Center with a two-finger swipe or the menu bar icon. Once done, click Edit Widgets to enter the widget gallery. This is where you pick sizes and types. Make sure to choose apps you already signed into, because widgets pull live data. You're starting with the smallest widgets to test layout, and next you'll add larger ones, so don't place everything at once. Now drag a widget from the gallery to the spot you want, either the Today sidebar or directly to desktop on Big Sur and later. Once placed, click the widget's three-dot menu or right-click to access size and content options. Change from small to medium if you need more data. You can configure which account or calendar it reads from and toggle location or permission settings. If a widget doesn't update, make sure the host app is allowed to run in background and has network access. To finish, exit edit mode so the layout locks. Test scrolling and click interactions to verify functionality. If you use iCloud, make sure widget syncing is enabled so your layout appears on other Macs. For final polish, move widgets to avoid overlap and check visibility in dark mode versus light mode. If something goes wrong, force quit the app providing the widget, toggle the widget off then back on, and sign out of the app then sign in. This usually restores live data and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.